Hi everyone, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. So right now it's already evening here in our place. So it's what, almost 8 o'clock. There's one cow that is kind of like mad. Brr, brr. So okay guys, I'm gonna feature now them cows here in the farm of my in-laws. So we live here in the farm so that our house was built here so that there will be someone who will like a lookout, you know, because there are many times before that those cars or cars cows get out of the pen, and they are smart. They will push one cow so that that cow will hit the electric fence, and and they will knock out the electric fence, and um, they will be able to get out. So now at my back, this pen here, those cows, they call it dry cows. So they are not gonna milk them anymore. So that's why they call it dry cows, and they are pregnant, and they will give birth here. Like how many times I've seen a baby came out of the cow here. So not much this time. So, and also, hello cow cow, moo moo, the moo moo, the moo moo. They are listening. Look at that. They stop eating. So there are not much cows in here, or dry cows. Oh, there are some there at the back. Okay, so I will show you more. And they are in there. So, hello cow cow. So, if you can see guys, this one has a big belly. She's pregnant. This one, that one. So, hello cow cow. Hello cow cow. Cow cow. So, okay. I will proceed to the other barn. Okay, guys, these are the young ones. So they are not even teenagers yet. They are still small. They are young. And my husband told me, oh, linisin muna yun. Hindi pa malinis yung ano. Okay lang. Ganun talaga. Ang mga baka pupo ng pupo. Sabi nga niya mas marumi pa daw yung baka kesa uh, sa baboy, kasi ang baboy meron lang siyang sa isang sulok tumatae, pero ang baka kahit saan yan, kahit yung tutulugan niya ay tatae siya. So punta tayo dito. Ito medyo malaki-laki. So ayan po yung hay na kinakain nila. Kaw-kaw. So medyo malaki na po dito kaysa po dito sa kabila. Ito po medyo malaki na, pero hindi pa po sila pwedeng mag-mate. Ayan. Okay, they are not ready to mate. Okay, this area here are cows that them are milking cows, and some are there they're doing some pasture. It has electric fence there, so they get inside here in this building, and that's where they feed them cows. And this is the milk truck, one of the milk truck, and my father-in-law owns this. So they haul milk from farms, and they take it to the plant that make like cheese or milk, ice cream, chocolate drink, milk drink. So, and the tank where they store the milk is inside, and the milking station is at the back. So, and the other one did not arrive yet. These are the calves here. Meh. Me. Me. They're eating right now. There. There are the cubs. This is afternoon and they are feeding right now. Oh, they stopped. Look at that. Meow. 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 Me. 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 Here are more cubs here. Over there. Me. Me, 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 me. Okay. Cubs. Cubs, cubs. Cubs. Cubs, cubs. I cannot see you in the video. You're so dark. Okay. Here are some of the cows that came from that barn. And then these are the milking cows. And they like to lay here. So it is electric fence. There's electric fence around it. And so they like to go outside. Moo moo. Moo 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 moo. So they lay rest there and they poop there. I can smell it. Yummy. So that's where my husband, he gets poop here. Especially that after winter and it already mixed with the dirt. It's not so strong, but still strong, and you need to mix it in the garden in some dirt. Okay guys, and that's it for today about the milking cows. Oh, I forgot to show you guys about the steers. If you can see the silo, if you can see, there are cows or steers outside over there. So they separate the steers from the milking cows. They put some male here so that, you know, they will get pregnant. Okay, thank you for watching guys, and I hope you like the video. Those who like to see the farming area or like to watch this kind of video. Even if you don't want, if you will watch, you will learn a little bit about the dairy industry and the farming, and what's life in this kind of area. We're not far from the town where we can go to the stores, go to our small shopping stores, and even though we have a small town, we have Coach store there. We have some branded stuff, clothing. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Sana po ay na-enjoy nyo. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to notify you for new videos. Please click na rin po yung yung like. I appreciate that. Thank you po sa mga nag-subscribe. Bye! See you in my next video!